Hello everyone, my name is Lauren Brees and I want to welcome you to the Student Recreation Facility. The SRC staff members are working hard to provide you with a safe and enjoyable experience. We're so excited to show you all of our updated programs and facilities. Before arriving to campus, perform a daily self-assessment. If you're not feeling well or experiencing symptoms related to COVID-19, please stay home. Refer to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention for additional information. Facility capacity limits have been established. Patrons are advised to view our website in advance to confirm current occupancy or view counts through the BGSU mobile app. Search BGSU in the App Store or Google Play Store. Accessible entry is available at the secondary entrance off of Mercer Road. Patrons requiring additional assistance may call 419-372-2705 upon arrival. Face coverings are required upon entry and throughout the facility, including while actively exercising. Washing, sanitizing hands is required upon entry. Sign a COVID-specific waiver on your first day of use. Adhere to the physical distancing requirements and all other posted signs and policies.
The rec center is currently operating under limited capacity, and patrons can view our updated facility counts on our website or on the BGSU mobile app.
Campus operations has given us a new chemical that it kills the virus within 45 seconds of using it. And we have been encouraged to clean the facility throughout our shifts.
Fitness equipment has been relocated throughout the facility to promote physical distancing. Patrons are asked to disinfect equipment prior to and after use. Recreation and wellness staffs and BGSU campus operations are conducting additional sanitation and regular deep cleaning. Drinking fountains are for water bottle refills only. Non-contact activities such as badminton, pickleball, tennis, and basketball for shooting and drills only are permitted on the activity courts by reservation only. Play is limited to 1-versus-1 for badminton, pickleball, and tennis. Sign Up Genius reservations are required. You can create an account and use the instructions available on our website. Face coverings are required while utilizing the courts. Equipment can be checked out from the welcome desk. The Wellness Connection is committed to supporting healthy lifestyles through a variety of wellness programs and initiatives such as general well-being, nutrition, alcohol, sexual health, and sexual assault prevention. A variety of in-person and virtual group exercise classes are provided each week. Visit our website for more information. Group X membership is required, which includes access to in-person and virtual offerings. In-person class sizes are limited to 9 participants with Sign Up Genius reservations required. You can create an account and use the instructions available on our website. Face coverings are required during in-person fitness class participation.
We do offer that if at any point in time they become short of breath or dizzy, that they can step out into the hallway and take a break and then come back in and finish participating.
Free Move for Your Mood movement sessions are available on Falcon Fitness Instagram Live. Personal training services are available. See our website for additional information.
As far as cleaning protocols, we clean before and after, wiping down the entire studio.
Sharing of equipment is prohibited.
So currently in the whole building, everyone has to wear a mask on while they're here. We ask that while you're on the pool deck, you also wear a mask. The only time we really want you to take it off is when you're getting ready to get in the water. But as soon as you are done swimming and you dry off, we'd like you to put your mask back on while you're still in the pool area on the deck.
Cooper and Andrews pools and the hot tub is available. Face coverings are required unless in the water. A maximum of 2 swimmers per lane is permitted for general lap swimming.
We do our daily cleaning as normal, but also throughout the day we do disinfecting of high touch areas, as well as when anyone is getting in or out of the pool. Once they're done with that, we'll go to that area and disinfect as well. And then generally we just are walking through and trying to help out the custodial staff with anything we can.
The hot tub is limited to 1 person. Visit our website for pool hours. Limited day use lockers are available.
Campus operations as well as student rec center staff
are being encouraged to clean their locker rooms frequently throughout the day.
Showers are available. Patrons are responsible for disinfecting shower stalls before and after use with provided cleaning supplies. Towel service is not available for private locker room members. The sauna is closed. The climbing wall is available for informal climbing Monday through Thursday from 5 to 9 p.m. Semester-long wall membership or day passes are available for purchase at the welcome desk. We continue to encourage your healthy and active lifestyle and are committed to staying well together. We look forward to seeing you here at the Student Recreation Center.